Just a minute. Ojaswini, start.
I left my speech at a point where I mentioned that this is not a way how a mixed economy operates. This is a time when we need a strong collaboration of private and public sector so that we can revamp the economy. Secondly,
Ojaswini, sorry for
the
interruption.
private
Guru Bhatt is waiting. Is he the
Exactly.
participant? So
Yes,
finally,
ma'am.
we are not allowing him.
I'm to say if he's waiting, then let's just give him in.
Okay, fine. I am admitting him.
Yeah, and let's just restart this session.
Okay. Then Ojaswini, you have to start again.
Yeah, so he will be
Machita.
speaking against the motion, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Shall I start now?
So we can't really see you. So I was the
Okay. Can you
Okay.
able to see now?
yeah.
The government can't able to bear all types of testing fees, sir. Why? Because also government is providing the free
Just
rations.
one minute.
Ma'am, kindly take it over.
See, we are already running short of time. So I think we should continue with the Ojaswini first.
Yeah, we should do that.
Then we will give opportunity to Guru to speak.
Yeah.
Okay.
But Ojaswini, you'll have to summarize so that Guru can listen to your arguments and then he can accordingly reply.
No, but okay. So the initial part which I have already spoken, I will just summarize it and then carry on with my other points.
Yeah, I think that's fine, Deepa. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Guru, especially for you, I would like to summarize my points that we are facing an unprecedented health and humanitarian crisis for which we need to have mass testing, and this can only be possible if it is free. And this is a phenomena which we have observed around the world also. If it wasn't free, then it wasn't massive. Secondly, Guru, I raised a point that ICMR realized that we need the inclusion of private sector for testing, ramping up the testing possibilities in India, and then it invited them for the same. Later, they capped a price of rupees 4,500, which was later petitioned, and the Supreme Court came up with a rule, with an instruction that we are going to have a free testing for all men and women. But there we have seen that how vehemently the private sector has been opposing it, which is really disheartening, because this is not how a mixed economy operates. We want a high collaboration of private and public sector so that we can actually revamp the possibilities of our economy and work at the best. The private sector also needs to understand that we are a developing economy and they are a part of it. They must also see that how our government has helped in the time of crisis of medical infrastructure and equipments. The other nations exported them pharmaceutical things so that they can also work well. So it is a time where we have to extend our hands in service, and we cannot make excuses and name out profit for that. I agree that profit is needed for philanthropic actions, but it's not about philanthropy, it's about the need of the hour. This is the only thing which is possible on logical and moral grounds, which can be done right on. Later on, I would like to say that private sector has been something which has always been a harbinger of group medical insurance. It should realize that we are a part of a country that has only 45% of the people insured. Moreover, we have only 1.15% of the GDP spent on the healthcare, where the global average is 6%. The analysis of our indigenous medical supply chains, medical infrastructure, and medical insurance cover has been deferred infinitely. I know that the government has to take the stake at this, but the private sector needs to back the government at this point. Secondly, countries with massive testings which have been free have shown a wonderful result. The example is South Korea. Even in United States, I would like to name the representative of the Congress. Her name is Miss Kathy Potter. She also convinced the CDC director for having medical insurance. Now, medical insurance in our country is a major issue. People say that coronavirus testing should be free irrespective of the financial background of the person. I say it should be irrespective of the medical insurance also. We always play a blindfolded eye, and in this situation, which is also very bad, that other private sectors which involve insurance, which involve pharmaceuticals, they have started being disincentivized due to this process. There are 512 testing laboratories in India, amongst which only 146 are privately owned, and there are states with no private testing facilities. In such scenario, don't you think that private sector is actually counterproductive? They are not participating at their full capacity, and they are not understanding that unless they don't participate at their full capacity, the cost of testing will not come down. There are cases where in the name of inhuman profiteering, private sector has tried to take the limelight. But this is a case where we have right to life. The life needs to be adhered to. I said in the starting of the speech also, which you must have missed, Guru, that this is a current situation we are facing, life versus livelihood. Yes, we cannot take a particular issue and hang by its back. Neither we can build castles in air that after the pandemic is over, we are going to have a wonderful economic performance.
I think that's
We can have
that's
solutions.
time. That's
Hello,
that's
sir.
almost time for you.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Guru. You're all.
Hello. Sir, the cost of testing fees came down, sir. We are importing it from South Korea. Now it leads to nearly 300 to 350 rupees per kit, sir. I think you all may know that. Hello.
Oh, okay.
So even
So
government
Guru, why don't
from the
you?
starting.
So the format
Hello?
of the competition is this, and Deepa, you must correct me if I am wrong. That
Guru, we
Guru is
have
now
to
supposed
argue
to give his
first.
speech.
Sir, come once again.
Time for rebuttal will be allowed later. Firstly, you have to argue your points.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, as it now, government is providing the entire ration, everything free. So it costs a huge amount to nation government only. So even government is taking a innovative step to increase the immunity power towards the people, ma'am, by providing the pulse, rice, etc., ma'am. So as a part, the government can't able to bear much more expenses like testing fees, ma'am. So if you think that daily if you provide 1 lakh kits, now we are importing from South Korea, it implies nearly 300 rupees, ma'am. So if you think like that, it is going to be a big cost to government to bear, ma'am. So 300 rupees even the people can able to bear everywhere, ma'am. Most of the people can bear. Why? Because the people when the bar shops have been liquor shops have been open, they have went to they have went to near it, and in especially in AP, the cost of the liquor has been moved from 25% to 75%, ma'am. Prices have been picked up. Price has been moved up, ma'am. Also, the people were used to stand in a queue line and used to consume it, whereas uh, in India, most of the laborers also not poor, ma'am. They have money, but they are not spending it, ma'am. 300 rupees, it is not more cost. Okay, even in AP, the first day collection of in liquor shops is nearly 91,000, ma'am. When we compare it into Tamil Nadu, it is 126 crores, ma'am. When it compared to Karnataka, both the 3 days, it leads to nearly 350 crores, ma'am. So how can we say that our India is a poor country? Everyone have money, ma'am. Even when the liquor shops have been banned, the other activities have been went on. Fake liquor, these all the people have been consumed. So we can't able to say that government should bear that amount, ma'am. So government is providing everything. After that, after the testing, the government is providing free quarantine, ma'am. That too nearly 15 to 20 days. So everything it is not possible, no, ma'am, to bear. How can it bear, ma'am? Due to this lockdown, the taxes and other expenses, other taxes also can't able to pay by the people, ma'am. So the income all used by the government. So government is taking a innovative step by providing free food, ma'am, free ration, like giving all these things, and they are giving the pensions to old age people. Nearly in our AP itself, they are providing nearly 2 to 3,000 rupees for the old age people, ma'am. So it leads to big expansion for government. So we can't tell a particular that government should bear all these expenses, ma'am. So even the people can capable to bear it 300 rupees. Firstly, when it is it is nearly 4,500, but now it is only to 3 to 350, ma'am. So everyone can able to bear. It's not a huge amount nowadays. What we are spending out. That's it. I can't cover more points, ma'am, because just I got up. I am minding up.
Can I proceed with the rebuttal now?
Amit sir,
Yes.
do you want any clarifications from both the participants, or we should proceed for rebuttals?
Yeah. So, Guru, your a little bit of time was left for you, right? Shraddha, as I can see.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You want to say something else, or is that all you had to say?
Nothing else, sir. You can proceed.
Okay. Okay. All
Why?
right.
Because just I have waken up. I don't know particular time about this.
Okay.
You are already late, and because of you, our entire
Yes,
session is
I
late.
know that. Oh, sorry, ma'am. I had taken rest, ma'am. That's it.
Hmm. So, sir, I think if you need any clarification from Ojaswini, you can ask to her.
Yeah. So, Ojaswini, just one thing. You've cited around 1.1% of GDP and all that data, right?
Hmm.
Is it based on credible sources?
Sir, 1.15%. So even in my preliminary round, one participant mentioned that it is 1.3%. But sir, I referred the economic survey only. But so there are chances that there can be little discrepancy. But my aim was to show the little percentage of the data that is delivered for the healthcare services.
All right, we got it. Sure.
Okay.
So I think unless Deepa has a point, we all can just proceed further too.
No, sir, no issues from my side.
All right, then let's start with the rebuttals. Ojaswini, you get to rebut to Guru's points, but you need to ensure that you don't start with your own new arguments, because this has to be,
No.
yeah.
Sir, let me tell all the participants one thing, that we are left only with the 4.5 minutes. So
Ma'am, I just ramp up.
Yeah, okay. Do it fast.
Yeah, in
Okay.
2 minutes
So
each.
Guru, congratulations for your speech. I have 4 issues which I want you to clarify. First of all, you are talking about the price of kit. It is the kit, the material is being important. There are assembling costs, overhead costs, like the PPE kits which are being worn, the human resource cost, and moreover, you should be thankful that the government is only taking in account the accounting cost, not the economic cost. If it takes into the economic cost, the test would have gone a higher price again. Secondly, when you talk about liquor, then let me tell you, addiction is something the government currently is taking as a place of generating revenue. Even in economics, addiction is something that fails the law of price. You know that even if the price rises, the demand goes up. So you cannot say that they are paying for liquor, or this is a sad reality, but we have to accept it. And the second thing is, you're talking about that government is doing making quarantine centers, providing food. That is commendable, and government should have done this. This is thing for which the government are. We're not operating in free markets. We are in free economy. Our is a regulated one, and this is something which is on the grounds of the government to fulfill. Then certainly I will agree that the reason for existence of a parallel economy, if those black money would have been there, we wouldn't have faced this crisis. But again, it's a sad reality. So we have to be more strategic in our approach. And one thing more I want to ask you, that do you think that providing pricing for test, oh sorry ma'am, the light at my place is gone, but I hope, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. You
Yes.
can continue.
Yeah, so the last thing is that how do you think that economic compartmentalization of prices of the testing can be justified? Because I think this is something which will lead to transparency and time issues, and we don't have the time to address it also. So how do you think that we can categorize that this range of income people can go and have free tests, this range of people cannot go and have testing? This will arise same demerits like our taxation has, even being very progressive. So, Guru, these are my points. I've tried to sum up in a very short time. Please address them.
Guru, do you want to rebut?
For the price is yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Guru, your voice is not audible.
Yes, ma'am. Sir, I think
I should move.
is it our network? Hello, hello.
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 Yeah.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, now
you.
you are.
Sir, first of all, what she mentioned is 4,500 rupees for PPA kits and etc. Sir, these imposing first itself, sir. But later, when it came to nearly after passing 20 to 25 days, the government of India is ICMR is importing from South Korea. It costs nearly 300 to 350 rupees itself. Whereas in AP also, every state have done some agreements with that. Even they have specifically mentioned that if there is a price down, if you are giving to any other country, then same price should be distributed in here AP also. So there were the few agreements. And second thing is, due to this pandemic situation, government is distributing everything like pensions, and we compare it to AP, the government is providing some other more schemes, sir. It is really burden to government to do all these things, sir. Even for ladies, they are providing nearly 15 to 20,000 some schemes there. Some then another thing is in here in this AP, they are providing the Jagannath Vidya Kanka scheme. It costs nearly 20,000 to a student. They are crediting for each student who is
Guru, I am
eligible for
interrupting
30%.
you. Very shortly, we will be out of this session. So I will create another link and we will continue.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Hmm.
Okay, so the dial-ins will remain the same, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ma'am, stop the recording, please.
Sorry, Shraddha, you said something.